Between myself and Mrs. W, we have over 60 years of gardening experience. And for the first few years, that expression that I just had was what I used to do every year. What's going in here next? What can I put in here that will feed us all year around? In August there would be gaps once we'd harvested things. Certainly during the late autumn and winter months there would be nothing in our garden. You may be the same, but what if I told you that that problem is solvable? The guesswork, the gaps, the dates, it's all solvable. We've been no-dig gardening for the last 5 years. In fact, today is our anniversary. YouTube notified me today that today is the anniversary that we started our YouTube channel 5 years ago. One thing that we have learnt over the last 5 years is that healthy soil equals healthy plants that give you bigger harvests. And although that's true, if you don't have anything to plant, then you can have the most healthiest soil in the world. But what you won't have is anything to eat. For many years, I just had a handwritten piece of paper of the things that I needed to sow. And that worked fine for myself and Mrs. W. What about if you live in Yorkshire, or Scotland, Ohio, Brisbane? Those dates are not going to work for you. That's the problem I've been trying to solve. And that's what I've spent the last several months trying to solve. It's an app. And I want to show you exactly what it does, because I think as soon as I explain it, you'll understand exactly why I had to make it. First, you tell it where you are, the country you live in, and the nearest town or city to you. And from that moment, everything it shows you is for your garden. Not mine, yours. It tells you exactly what to sow on any given day of the year. Because that's how succession sowing works. You don't just sow in the spring and that's it. You need to know what to sow much later in the year to keep those harvests coming all year round. It will remind you of things such as watering. If you've just sown something, within 3 to 4 days, it will give you a gentle reminder to say you need to check your plants. It uses the varieties that we use. But it goes without saying, you can just substitute them with the varieties that you like to eat. It shows you exactly when you need to transplant these plantings. Every week in the comments section, people asking me, I've sown the seeds and the plants are up, and they look like this. Are they ready to transplant? This app will take all of that away. It will remind you that they now need to be transplanted into their final growing positions. Another thing I hear in the comments quite a lot is that, when will my X be ready to harvest? Well, within this app, it has all the projected harvest dates. And it will give you a reminder as you come near to that harvest date for any given plant. Go and check your cabbages and see if they're ready for harvests. Check your peas to see if they are ready to harvest. It's like having me in your back pocket. We've been eating from this garden from December through to May, all because of succession sowing. This app has made that possible. I wanted to build something for you that works in the same way that worked for us. The app is available right now, and for the next 10 days it's available at a special launch price. There is a link in the description. This is not a social media app. There's no scroll, no noise, no feed. It is simply a tool that will help you to be able to grow food year round. Every week I get comments from people, whether they be in the south of the UK, whether they be in Scotland, whether they be in Australia or Canada. They all ask basically the same things. When do I need to sow something? And how do I grow food all year round? I simply don't have the knowledge to know when to sow these things. Well, this app directly answers your question. It will answer you personally. It will tell you what you need to be sowing and when, so that your harvest can continue right the way through the year. This is what an all year round harvest looks like. Once you have filled in the onboarding, the app will tell you whether your gardening zone is suitable for growing all year round, because not everybody's is. But it's still useful because it will tell you exactly what to sow and when to get the best out of the limited season that you do have. If you think that this will be helpful to you and you sign up for the app, drop us a comment. Let us know what zone and country that you're growing your vegetables in. This app will work worldwide, whether it be Northern Hemisphere or Southern Hemisphere. From the UK to France to Germany to Australia to America. And remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants that give you big harvests. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you on the next one.